Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete emails on your phone. So first you go to inbox and then you can just swipe, or you can swipe slowly and then tap on the trash icon. Or if you want to delete multiple emails, so you can just tap select and then edit and then select the emails you want to delete. So for example, these emails, and then on the bottom right corner tap on trash, and your emails will be deleted at once. So you don't have to do it one by one if you have lots of emails that you want to sort out. So that's it. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.